Hi everyone, let's try to solve this reorder. It is one of the difficult reorders and it has been appeared in the exam 373 times. I have got to know from a lot of students that they find this reorder very difficult. So let us try to crack this down and try to solve it within a time frame. So the first step that I tell my students about reorders is to try to read all the sentences first. So sentence A says, changes in work patterns tend to mean that fewer families sit down in the evening for a traditionally produced family meal, often because of a lack of time. Sentence B says, consequently, people are now more likely to buy takeaway meals or convenience food as opposed to ingredients or family meals that take time to prepare. Sentence C says, over time, fashion and people's tastes change. Sentence D says such changes affect the demand for products and services. Sentence E says, in contrast, people now tend to spend more time in shopping and are therefore more likely to spend time relaxing in a coffee shop or restaurant while on a shopping trip. Now, the one thing that I always tell my students is that your first independent sentence is going to be like an introductory statement. So, you see, in the whole reorder, all the sentences we are talking about changes over here. So I think sentence C is going to be the starting sentence here. Over time, fashion and people's taste change. That gives us an idea what we're going to talk about in the reorder. It sets the tone. So next thing that we are going to see is such changes, because you see, when we are saying that taste change, then we are going to put a pronoun and say such changes affect the demand for products and services. Now this is like an explanation. After the explanation, you should always go and put the example of the sentence. So I think a good example could be something like this, that changes in work pattern tend to mean that fewer families sit down in the evening for traditionally produced family meal, often because of a lack of time. So we are at one point we are saying that when there are changes, it affects the demands of products, and this is the one good example that we have given there. Now definitely, if people are not able to make food on their own, they are going to buy it outside. Okay, so people are more likely to buy takeaway meals or convenience food. And lastly, in contrast, people now spend more time or shopping and are therefore more likely to spend. Now because people have time, because we are not cooking at home, that is the reason that they have more time, and now they will use that time to go to a coffee shop or a restaurant. So this is how I solved this reorder. Let's see how did I do. Yes, you can see I've got all 4 out of 4, and this is how you are supposed to connect the pieces, its and bits of the story, and give your reorders a complete answer. I have made a full series on how to solve your reorders step by step, so make sure to watch that. Comment down below if you need any other help with PT, and make sure to visit English Wise Parameter to get the best out of your PT services and your desired score within the very first go. Thank you.